Alright, I messed up again and turned it off. There's our meat. We added a small onion and 2 small cloves of garlic, 1 larger clove of garlic, a little bit of oil in the bottom pan. We cooked the onions till they got soft. We sliced the beef into thin strips, and we added that to the pan. I'm now going to add some pepper and some cumin. It's hard to hold this and do this at the same time, sorry guys. And some chili powder. Take the top off of this. Whoops. Oh, let me stir this up a little bit. It's really hard to do with one hand. Anyway, okay, we'll start that here. Okay. Let's see if I can. I'm letting that cook. Oh. Sorry. Okay. Now we're going to add some chili powder, quite a bit. Right there, covering it up pretty good. Stir that up a little bit. Having a hard time without the pan moving because I can't hang on to it. Alright, now we're going to... I'm going to turn it off again. Okay, I guess I'll do it with this hand. Sorry, you guys. I'm going to add some salt. Okay. Now we're going to let that cook for a few minutes. I'm going to pause you and see if I can do this right this time. And I'm going to pause you and I'll unpause you here as soon as I stir it up real good. There is our fajita meat and onions and garlic. It's finishing up, doing the last of the cooking here. And I've got a couple of flour tortillas that we're going to heat up in that pan right there. And then it'll be ready to serve. Doesn't that look yummy? That is our, basically, as long as you have onions and garlic and some spices, you can get by with making a basic fajita mix without all the mushrooms and green bell peppers and different peppers like that. It'll be good, and we'll serve it on tortilla. And if we want, we can add some cheese or sour cream or whatever you'd like. There we go. We're going to put it on a plate here in a second. I want to heat up these tortillas. And I'm going to pause you while I'm changing things over. Okay, there's our fajita mix. We're adding some fresh lemon. And we've got our tortillas heating up right there. And there's our fajita mix. I'm going to pause you and dress it up. Okay, here's our finished product. We mixed some Mexican cheese in there, the 3-cheese blend. And we got a little lemon I already squeezed on there a little bit more. And a couple tortillas to eat with it. There we go. That's a night in the motorhome and a meal. Please like and subscribe. Please let me know if you like the cooking videos. I'll do more. And peace.